What a lovely car, if I may say so myself. So this isn't really a video, it's just an update of what's happening in this boiling hot weather at the moment. I'm chock-a-block with work. As you can see, I still need to respray the rear tailgate, bottom part. I haven't done that yet. Been getting it wrong colours, etc. It's a long story. Anyway, as you can see, all my stuff's in the back of the car. I've taken a few of the seats out, enabling me to shove a load of stuff in, including a 15-foot ladder. I've took the bases out and the back of the short side of the split rear seat to get the ladder in. Pretty good, really. Cheaper than a van. So upcoming things to do on the Fabia that I haven't done yet are the trailing arm bushes. They're a bit corroded on the inside. You might be able to see from this, I don't know. And I've got the roof lining to do. I'm halfway through that video. That's been bugging me for a while. It's a right flappy wappy. And I found that my key, this is my spare key actually, the better one of the buttons don't work. And then I found out it's the actual micro switch on the circuit board. So I've got that video to do. Don't fancy doing that with a little bit of soldering, but needs must. As you can see, to unlock the car I've got to shove it in the keyhole, but I can still lock it on the immobiliser button. There you go, but no unlock. Anyway, as you can see, the tailgate needs respraying at the bottom. I haven't got the colour right just yet, so I've sprayed it a couple of times, but it needs to be the right colour. So that's to do. I made quite a good job of the bonnet. That's blended in nicely. And the sills, of course, done those both sides, so they're looking nice now. I dropped my phone, so I cracked the surface, so I need a new tempered glass cover thing to put on. My mouse don't work, that's a bit dodgy. I need to sort that out with a new one, fit that. And then following on from the King Boland Elite diagnostic tool, I've got this King Boland Link diagnostic tool to review and test, along with the King Boland S8 Pro. So that should be interesting. So be sure to check those out. I've got some new rubber seals for the EGR valve, because mine was flattened when I took it off, so I've got some new rubber seals to fit there sometime, along with an injector seal kit. And you've got the bolts with that as well, because you have to renew the bolts at the same time. So I'm not particularly looking forward to that, but I'm going to do that sometime. And here's the little micro switches for the key that I'm definitely needed to do. That's really annoying. So we'll do videos on all these in the near future. Just need to get around to doing them. Just wanted to keep you informed that I haven't disappeared. You can see my headlights on the right hand side, or the left hand side, is fogged up. That'll need polishing out to make it look new again. So stay tuned, and I will see you again shortly. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and I'll see you all again shortly. Thank you for watching.